What is a UCC-1AP form? The UCC Financing Statement explained. Have you ever seen a business loan agreement or a public record filing and come across the mysterious UCC-1AP form? It sounds technical, but it's a crucial piece of the puzzle in secured transactions. Welcome back to the DBI Global Filings channel. I'm Russell Murray, and today we're breaking down exactly what a UCC-1AP form is, why it's used, and who needs to worry about it. By the end of this video, you'll understand how this one simple form adds clarity and legal protection for both lenders and borrowers. What is a UCC-1? To understand the UCC-1AP, we first need to quickly recap the standard UCC-1 form. UCC stands for the Uniform Commercial Code, a set of standardized laws across the United States that govern commercial transactions. A UCC-1 or financing statement is a public notice filed by a creditor, the lender, to officially register that they have a security interest, a lien in a debtor's, the borrower's, personal property, which is being used as collateral for a loan. Think of it like a mortgage for personal property. It tells the world and any future lenders that this specific asset has a claim against it. This filing perfects the lien, giving the first in-line creditor priority if the borrower defaults. The purpose of the UCC-1AP form. This is where the UCC-1AP comes in. The AP stands for additional party. The primary national UCC-1 form has limited space for debtor and secured party names. The UCC-1AP form is an addendum used when you need to list more than one debtor or more than one secured party for a single initial UCC-1 filing. Imagine a scenario where a small business with multiple owners or partners is taking out a loan, and all partners are listed as debtors using business assets as collateral. The main UCC-1 form might not have enough space for everyone's details. The UCC-1AP provides that extra room, ensuring all relevant parties are properly identified in the public record. Who uses it and why? So, who uses this form? Lenders and creditors use it to ensure all parties obligated under the security agreement are officially on file, protecting their interest in case of default. Borrowers and debtors are listed when they are part of the security agreement and their assets are used as collateral. It's about completeness and clarity. By using the UCC-1AP, you avoid legal challenges later that might arise from an incomplete filing. Each listed party ensures that potential future creditors performing a lien search will see the existing claim. Here's key details and best practices. Here are a few critical points when using the UCC-1AP. Use exact legal names. This is vital. The name on the UCC-1AP must be the exact legal name as it appears in the person's government ID or the business's official organizational documents. Typos or abbreviations can invalidate the filing and the creditor's secured interest. File in the right place. The form is filed with the relevant state's Secretary of State office, just like the main UCC-1 form. It's public record. Once filed, anyone can search and view this information. In short, the UCC-1AP is simply an overflow document for the main UCC-1 Financing Statement. It ensures all debtors and secured parties are accounted for in the public record, adding a layer of legal protection for secured transactions. If you're dealing with loans, collateral, or UCC filings, accuracy is everything. Always consult with a legal professional to ensure your filings are completed correctly and adhere to your specific state's requirements. If you found this explanation helpful, please hit that like button. Subscribe for more legal and financial breakdowns, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.